there are over 500,000 trucking accidents per year that result in 4,000 fatalities. That number has actually risen every year since 2011. And so we do get our fair share of calls involving trucking accidents, and I'm prepared to respond to those in any way possible. Recently, I represented a Atlantic City police officer who, on his way to work one morning, was involved in a motor vehicle accident with a school bus. Unfortunately, the school bus had ran a stop sign and broadsided this gentleman. As a result of the accident, the gentleman sustained a traumatic brain injury, and unfortunately, he will never work as a police officer again. And we were able to seek redress through litigation and obtain compensation for him so that he has economic relief and is able to move on with his life and not have to worry about providing for his family. When we are approached about a recent trucking accident case, we want to make sure to quickly obtain the necessary evidence to be able to properly investigate it. That would include getting the driver logs to see exactly how long the driver has been on the road before the accident occurred. We want to make sure that the safety inspection properly occurred before the driver got behind the wheel of that big rig. Oftentimes there's issues regarding wear of tires, regarding excess loading. These are the type of issues that can be uncovered through looking at the documents that led up to the driver getting behind the wheel that day. The goal is to make sure that the client is made whole. And what I mean by that is we want to make sure that the client is able to get medical treatment, get better from whatever injury that they've sustained. And then, of course, we want to make sure that they get compensated for the harms that have occurred to them, whether it be financial harm or the pain, suffering, disability, or impairment that they've been suffering with. It's important for a client to contact us as soon as the incident that has given rise to a potential claim occurs. The reason for that is there needs to be investigation into the potential claim, and with the passage of time also comes the loss of perhaps critical evidence for any given case.